Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get started with ChatGPT. So go to your browser first, then right here ChatGPT. Now you will find here the first option, introducing ChatGPT. Click on this. Now you'll find here this try ChatGPT. Click on this try ChatGPT, and then your ChatGPT is ready. You can get started with ChatGPT in two ways. First way is if you don't have any account, you can go this way. You don't need an account. But if you want to open an account, then you have to click on sign up and open an account. Then you have to get started with ChatGPT. So you can write here anything. Hi, how's going on? Hit enter. Okay, so this is how you can get started with ChatGPT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.